who did not get a chance to whoop, come on up. If I tagged you, you are one of the finalists, so go over there and wait your turn for the final round. Anyone who did not get a chance, come on up. You didn't get a chance? Any of the adults want to come up? Come on up. We are living proof you're never too old to have some fun. We got back together after 34 years. Can you believe that? And we still got it, girls. Yes, we do. All right. On your mark. Round 2. Hit it!
Here we go. Let's go.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Either way that you are is enough. Everyone else sees it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. Don't let it till this boy gets me overwhelmed. When you're smiling, round it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. You saw what I can see. You understand what I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful.
All right, now, try to walk around in a circle as you're hooping. Let's go. Walk around in a circle as you're hooping.
Come on, you got it wrong. To prove I'm right, I'll put it in a song.
Good job.
Okay, bring the music down. If I call your name for the finalists, come on up. You guys, you three can stay up there for the final round.
All of you are
You
finalists.
guys are great. Okay, everybody, if I tapped you before, come up for the final round. Isabella, you're already up there. Don't know why you were in group 2 as well as group 1, but you're so cute that I don't mind. She can do whatever she wants to. She's Isabella. Okay. Are you guys ready? Do we have all of our finalists here? Okay, DJ, we need a little Mamma Mia music. Give us Rosie's favorite song. Take a chance on me.
On your mark, get ready, get set, let's go. All right, these are the best of the best. Let's go.
She's looking for a new husband.
I gotta be in the spirit.
Has picked a winner. Quiet, please. O'Brien.
Our friend right over
Dancing
here
fool.
has won my heart.
thank you! Congratulations!
What's your name?
My name's David.
Thank you, David. Everyone give David a big round of applause.
All right, give it up for David. We're giving out prizes for everyone.
Come take a picture with us, David. Tonya, everybody get around David. Camera, please. Great job, great job. Okay, can we have the winner, please, of the hula hoop contest?
Horn the boogie, horn the boogie.
Elfie,
Thank you, Christine.
Sunny, and prize, please.
Oh, God.
And everybody is gonna get a ring. Great job, Isabella. It's one ring, darling. Great job, guys. There you go.
All the hula hoopers are gonna get rings, and everyone's gonna get gold necklaces. You guys are awesome.
That's awesome. To get it. What's the quote? Fuel bin. Nike fuel bin. Fuel bin. Nike fuel bin. Yeah. Sweet. That's almost like energy calories as my body.
That's the future, man.
Yeah. Really cool. That'll let you know.
Having fun?
Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Very welcome, very welcome. Thanks for coming.
We'd like to thank everyone. We're going to be around for a little while longer.
Hardest working woman in show business. There she is. Thank you.
You are a boy. You made a real life jealous.
I'm a dancing fool, though.
Oh, shut up. You are awesome, Gabe. Awesome.
Oh, we're giving you such good applause.
Honey, they recruited me.
What time is you on?